Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we're diving into the heart of the computer, that is the BIOS. Whether you have recently purchased a new PC or if your system is a few years old and has not been updated in some time, then this quick tutorial will be perfect for you. So what's BIOS? BIOS stands for Basic Input Output System. It's a special program that bridges the communication between your computer's hardware, that is the processor, RAM, storage drive and other components with the computer's software, that is your operating system. Think of it this way, your computer is a spaceship, whereas the BIOS is its control center that conducts final systems check before liftoff. It ensures everything is working right so the spaceship can launch safely into space. Now that you know what BIOS does, let us start the update procedure. The first step will be to identify the model of the motherboard. You can find this in the System Information app, which should look like this. Open it and you'll see details about your computer's components. Take a note of baseboard product, that is the motherboard, and the current version of the BIOS. Next, search a motherboard model in a web browser. Upon opening the product page, under the support category, you'll find various software updates for all components such as LAN, sound and more. Here, look for the BIOS update section. Now, compare the version listed there with the one you noted earlier. If there's a newer version available, download it. The file will typically be in a zip format. Now comes the important part of the video. For the update, you'll need an empty USB stick. Extract the files from the downloaded zip file onto the USB. Then restart your computer and right at the startup, keep on pressing the dedicated key for BIOS utility until it opens. It will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. Within the utility, look for Flash tool. The exact location may vary, so I would recommend you to use the search function to find it quickly. Open the Flash utility, select your USB drive and choose the file to update the BIOS. This whole process is known as flashing the BIOS. During this, your computer will restart several times as it installs newer version of the BIOS and will reconfigure your settings. When it's done, your computer should boot to your operating system's homepage. In case your computer fails to boot or is stuck in a boot loop, you will have to reset the BIOS settings. This can be done by physically removing and reinserting the CMOS battery, which resets the BIOS settings to default settings. Newer motherboards and especially the high-end ones have a reset button for this purpose. Alternatively, you can revert to an older version using the jumper technique. To conclude, I strongly recommend you keep your BIOS up to date because it can fix bugs, patch security vulnerabilities, ensure compatibility with new components and enhance overall performance and power stability. Also, it's always good to check the manufacturer's instructions when updating the BIOS. Thanks for watching, and if you have any queries related to this topic, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best solving it. Take care and have a great day.